There are cars that age gracefully, and then there are cars that refuse to age at all. The Mercedes AMG CLS63 C218 is one of them, a twin-turbo V8 missile that still embarrasses modern sports cars more than a decade later. Back in 2014, when this beast rolled out of a Falterbach, AMG wasn't following trends. They were setting them. The world was obsessed with efficiency, downsizing, and quiet refinement. And AMG said, no thanks. They took a 5.5-liter V8, bolted on two massive turbos, and gave it a roar so mean it could wake the dead. The result? 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Numbers that, even in today's era of electric torque monsters, still demand respect. 0 to 60? Just 3.6 seconds. And this is no stripped-down supercar. It's a four-door luxury coupe with heated seats, massage functions, and enough leather to make a Bentley blush. The C218 CLS63 wasn't about chasing records. It was about attitude. It didn't whisper luxury. It shouted dominance. The design was aggressive, yet elegant. Wide haunches, flowing roofline, quad exhausts spitting thunder. Even standing still, it looked like it was mid-sprint. Underneath the sculpted shell, AMG magic was everywhere. The M157 engine, hand-built, signed by one technician, was a masterpiece of German brutality. Twin turbos pushing 22 psi of boost. Power delivered through AMG's 7-speed speed-shift MCT gearbox. Launch control engaged, rear tires screaming for mercy. The CLS63 didn't just move, it attacked. And if you think it's just old-school muscle, think again. Tuners quickly learned this car was a sleeping giant. With just a tune, downpipes, and upgraded intakes, this four-door luxury coupe easily cracks 700-plus horsepower. Some builds even push over 900, turning it into a hypercar killer in a business suit. But what truly sets it apart isn't just the numbers, it's the feeling. The way the power hits like a hammer at 3,000 RPM. The deep, metallic bark from the exhaust when the turbos spool. The instant torque that shoves you back in your seat like a roller coaster drop. It's not just fast, it's emotional. It's the kind of car that turns every tunnel into a concert hall. You drop a gear, hear the turbo spool, and suddenly, silence is the enemy. And here's the irony. While modern AMGs have gone hybrid, with electric motors and quieter exhausts, the CLS63 stands as a reminder of the brand's wild side. Before the emissions rules, before EQ badging, before everything got polite, there was this. A four-door coupe that could scare Ferraris and still drop the kids off at school. In 2025, owning one isn't just owning a car. It's owning a piece of defiance. A relic of an era when horsepower was king and noise was power. The CLS63 doesn't need to prove anything. It already did. It's the kind of car that looks modern, sounds angry, and drives like it's got something to prove.